Hello guys, in this video we are actually gonna talk about how to bid on government contracts. So this is not something that everyone has the opportunity to get, but basically you can actually bid in government contracts, but first you must have an invitation to actually bid at first. So you must be a reputable company basically, and you must be an actual good asset to the government as per se, and basically you can be able to bid in the first place. But if you don't even fall between those, unfortunately you can't even bid at first. So it's pretty hard to find an actual topic on how to bid, because this is a sensitive topic, because not everyone can just bid on government contracts, and that will also vary from state to state and country to country. So I won't be able to discuss such with every country basically. So right here, this is the only thing I found in COA. So the following steps are followed right here. So the BAC will consolidate all the documents and records and proceedings with the BAC with regard to the procurement at hand. Then the BAC secretariat will be drafting the BAC resolution for recommending the award. So that's just basically it. You will have to give supporting documents to the government on why you should be the one awarded the contract at first. So there's also going to be a various things that can be found or will be found by the government, because sometimes it's going to be a government contract for building a let's say a building, or maybe producing arms or anything else. So there's a lot of factors that just come into play. So not everyone can actually just bid on a government contract. So usually the big players does this, and usually we don't really get a say on this. So there you go guys, this is the only thing I've found on bidding government contracts, and there you go.